Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. Quite a windy day today, so I hope you can hear me okay. I'm just about to take you on a short walk round tour of the Bailey Autograph 79-40 2018 that we've recently taken into stock. What a fantastically well-spec'd motorhome with a single bed layout, 4 berth, 4 travelling seat belts and a total MTPLM of 3,850. So here is a good look at that particular motorhome. So on a 2018 with just a touch over 3,000 miles on the clock, so really low mileage and in absolutely fantastic condition and extremely well looked after by the previous owner. Coming down the side here, you can see on the side there you've got the full Fiamma wind out canopy, your space for your gas bottles located here, and here we have got your exterior points and also your barbecue point, an access hatch to the rear here, and also benefiting from the fact that it comes with the bike rack, and even more of a benefit, a fully fitted, fully functional tow bar, should that be a need and a consideration if you're considering towing a small car behind this wonderfully well-spec'd motorhome. So it's a 6-speed manual gearbox, just giving you a little bit of a feel for what it looks like at the front here. Again, looking at how high quality the fabric is there, and even less mileage than I thought, actually 2,796 miles on the clock, so really low mileage. So let's go and have a little look inside. So you've got a nice bin on the door, window as you see there. As we step inside straight away, so your 2 travelling seat belts that you've got located here, 2 seats located at the front, and this section then dotted around. You have to have a bit of a play with it, but you'll see here from the slats, this section also converting into a bed for the night mode. Lockers above that you can see there, so plenty of depth and plenty of space in those lockers. Turning around here is that other seat that you see there with another locker here. A nice large panoramic sunroof just above that beautiful leather finish and that Autograph logo. Benefiting from the Alder wet central heating in this motorhome with the main command centre and control panel located above the habitation door. A very spacious central kitchen area with work extension and chopping board for the sink, with plenty of storage in nice large depthy drawers. You've got 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. A very large and spacious tall fridge freezer located in the centre of the motorhome with an easy usable height microwave and further storage above. Central bathroom area. So very spacious individual shower cubicle that you see here, with storage above the Thetford toilet and a nice quality of finish on the sink with vanity mirror as well. Another fantastic benefit is, as you see here, the central section, rather than the concertina blind, it's a nice solid door to shut off that bedroom to give you a bit of privacy. So stepping into the very spacious bedroom area, you've got 2 very good sized single beds. Storage above, and also a nice high quality of finish to the central section where you can see a very spacious and depthy drawer pulling out there. As we turn round, you've got a vanity mirror in the bedroom area as well, and a television point with a generous sized Heki light, allowing a huge amount of light to come in, giving a great feeling of space in this motorhome. Hanging rail located up there and full set of clip-in carpets. And further space on this side with the Alder header tank, the remainder of the carpets, the hanging rail, and also further storage underneath with a bit of a bed extension or an infill cushion for that front bed section. So we're really proud to have this motorhome in stock here at Grantham. It's in fantastic condition. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to get in contact with us, and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.